Do you want to know if Google Ads really work for your restaurant and local business? So stay here with me and I will give you the answer just until the end of this video. My name is Edgarfxz, associate at RestauranT. If you don't know me, it's time to subscribe to this beautiful channel, activate the bell and give me a like right now. So let's get started. First of all, I want to tell you some statistics and facts about Google. So Google controls more than 90% of the global search engine market. So Google is a monster. Google has over 246 million unique US visitors. That's more than 75% of the US population. Mobile devices on the search Google account for 63%, so just more than the desktop. And there are more than 2.5 billion Android powered devices worldwide. I consider that at least a half of all the devices around the world. And Google has invested more than $47 billion in its tech infrastructure during the last 3 years. And why are they doing this? Because Google wants that you have outstanding outcomes. And if you have outstanding outcomes, Google will have it too. So it's important for this. So if you trust on Google, Google will give you more customers. So once that I have told you, I want to tell you that we have to visit ads.google.com. On this website, you can find all different campaigns that Google can where you can create all kind of campaigns with Google. And we're going to be here and ads.google.com, and this is the main dashboard. Remember that I have told you in different videos how to create different campaigns, but I want to explain you again some of the campaigns that we're going to create. We're going to click here and create a campaign with a goals guidance, because we want to do what I really want, not what Google wants. And there are 8 different campaigns. For example, the search campaigns, where you are offering your products or your services according to, for example, if you offer pizza, or if you offer hamburgers, or if you are offering wings, you can offer through the search display network. If you are offering here on the display network, obviously Google will show your advertisement on different platforms. For example, YouTube, all the search and all the newspapers and magazines that are online, and many other platforms, even on Gmail. The shoppings, just if you want to offer, or you have a store, for example, you offer digital cameras or software related, you can create this kind of campaigns when all the prices and all the competition are on the top of the Google search. The video obviously works with the YouTube platform and all the different options that you can create with this. And the others. I want to tell you that I have worked with this, with video, display search, smart and local campaigns. I consider that they are working in a properly way. So you have to create these kind of campaigns. Remember that I have created some search and display campaigns for restaurants and local businesses. So you can check this, and here down below of my description, and you have to subscribe to this beautiful channel and give me a like just to help me to show to more people. And once that I have told you this, I'm going to tell you more about the search campaigns. For example, the pros and the cons. For example, the pros with Google search campaign is that if the ad that you are created is really value for your possible customer, they will click you and they can do the purchase. But if not, you can waste money on it. It is probably the most difficult part, or the cons of this campaign, that it is expensive. However, it could be the easiest way to create or to close sales. But I have told you in the campaign how to create that and how to improve that and how to avoid to waste your money with this kind of campaign. So go to the description and go all and watch all my videos about this. The next part is with the display network campaign. Obviously,